Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. Hold the power button along with the volume down button to turn off the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. Simultaneously hold the power button and volume up button until the Samsung logo appears. Then release the buttons to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, use the volume rocker to highlight the white data or factory reset option. Press the power button to select the highlighted option and initiate the factory reset process. Choose the factory data reset option to confirm and start the hard reset process. Wait for the procedure to complete. Once done, the tablet will be completely reset to its original factory settings. After the reset is completed, select the Reboot System Now option to restart the tablet. After rebooting, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.